Think there might be malware on your PC? You don't need any downloads. In this quick video, I'll show you how to spot hidden threats using only Windows built-in tools. I am your gracious host, CyberEd. Let's get started. Let's start this simple. Open command prompt and type Tasklist. Have a little scroll through the list. Scan for strange names or duplicate processes. Legitimate processes usually have no names. If you see something like svchost.executable running 10 times, that's normal, but xcrypt32.executable, that's suspicious. Copy any weird name and Google it. Malware often hides with random names. Next, see what's talking to the internet. Type Netstat -ano. Look for unusual remote IPs or connections in strange ports like 1337, 666 or 9001. Each connection has a PID. Copy it. Now match the PID to a process. Run Tasklist. Find str and the PID number. If a strange process is connected to the internet, it's always worth checking. Let's press enter. Looks like this one is found, svchost. That's completely fine. But it's always good to look, always. Now let's look at background services. Open PowerShell. Type in get service, where object, status, -eq, running. I'll put all the commands in the description though, just to make it easier. Or you could just copy it straight from the video. Right, legit services have friendly names like Windows Update or Sprint, Print Spooler. But if you see things like Update, Task 1 or NetScan service, be careful. You can right-click properties from the services app to see file locations. And it just shows you if they're running. Always good to have a look. Right, our final check. Scheduled tasks. Malware often uses persistence. So type in get scheduled task, where object, task path, not like Microsoft. This shows tasks outside the official Microsoft ones. If you see weird paths or names, investigate them. You can delete them from Task Scheduler. And that's it. No software, no scans, just built-in Windows tools. These quick checks can help you catch threats early. If you found this useful, hit the like button and subscribe for more fast Windows and cybersecurity tips. Want to go deeper? Look into tools like Auto Runs and Process Explorer, also free from Microsoft.